it's your girl, Missnaturalshay, and today I have for you Target haul. If y'all want to see what your good sis got in this bag, just keep right on watching. Alright y'all, so before we do that, make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure that you give me a big thumbs up. That lets me know you like these types of videos. Make sure that we are commenting down below because you know I love to chit chat with you guys. And of course, share my video. And make sure you have your notification bell turned on, okay? So, I had to see what was popping in the Target because some of my good sisters on Instagram were showing me some of the goodies. And I'm like, okay, yes, I want that. So, I decided to grab up a few goodies, not too many, because usually I do an overkill, okay? Overkill. But this time I just bought a few items, and the items that I purchased were either 15% off or there were buy two get one free. So guys, let's see what your good sis got in this bag. So the first item we're going to talk about is from the Beloved line from Love Beauty and Planet. And the first item that I'm going to pull out the bag is the Coconut and Warm Vanilla by Beloved. And I want to get the whole line, but I didn't want to do too much because in the other scent I got the whole line. So yeah guys, I got these items, and this one is the shower and bath gel, and this one is the fine fragrance body mist, which I ain't ever seen no fine fragrance body mist. So it looks like they are moving on up for the Beloved line for Love Beauty and Planet. And I do have some other scents in the body shower gel, which is Cherry Blossom. I have the Orange and Patchouli, and I have the Lavender and Hyssop. So now I'm just expanding my collection for Beloved. So I can't wait to smell this because I'm sure it smells really good. And of course, we're going to spray this in the air because you already know how we do over here. All right, so let's see what this Coconut and Warm Vanilla smells like. It smells, to me right now, really light. And I'm sure once I use it, I'll smell it even more. But yeah, so we're just gonna jump into how the body mist smells. I like this. It's an 8 fluid ounce, just like as if we were getting something from Bath and Body Works. They are 8 ounces as well, but this one is a little bit shorter and a little bit wider than the Bath and Body Works. So anyway, let's open this thing up and see what she smells like. Okay. Oh, you know what? I shouldn't have lit my candle. I have a mahogany and vanilla candle in the background, sis. When I tell you this thing is lit. So all I smell is mahogany and vanilla. So what is she smelling like? I think I might need to put it on my skin or something. Oh, okay. I smell the coconut and vanilla. It's a nice little light scent. It's a nice little coconutty scent. So I can't wait to use these two products. And as you can tell, the top is a little bit difficult to put on, so just a slight bit to put on, but I can't wait to use these products. And if I really like them, then I will go back and get the body cream and the body scrub in these in this scent. All right y'all, so what else do I have in my bag? And before we do that, y'all, I need to take me a little water break, okay? I'm thirsty. Make sure y'all drinking your water. If you got bottled water and you just put some ice up in that thing and pour it in a glass, or you know, nice little container like this, it's so good. So we gotta make sure we're drinking our water, sis. Okay. All right y'all, so what else did I purchase? The next scent that I'm gonna pull out from Beloved, I ended up getting all 4. This one to me really stood out Probably because of the packaging. But yeah, guys, let's see what your girl got. Da, 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 da. The strawberry and brown sugar, y'all. Listen, this thing, it better be hitting, slapping, and all that great stuff, because it just looks like it's gonna be good. Now, I don't see no brown sugar on the packaging. It just has a lot of cut up strawberries, which cut up strawberries is so good. Put your little sugar on top if you want to have, like, if you want to bring out some more sweetness or to add some more sweetness. But, and also this is a vegan product, and this one does not say vegan, but on the back it does say, you know, it does say it's cruelty free and vegan, but it doesn't have it on the packaging. But I guess because this is a newer one that came out, they changed the packaging a little bit by saying it's a vegan shower and bath gel. So yeah, guys, I can't wait to smell this. So I got me the shower gel, the body mist, the body cream, and the body scrub. Okay, y'all, so we about to smell it. Okay, we about to smell it, see what she's smelling like. I'm gonna start with the shower gel. Strawberry and brown sugar. I can definitely smell the strawberry, like it's all up and through there. Now the brown sugar, I don't really smell right now, but I'm gonna give y'all that strawberry that was hitting. I'm gonna give y'all a review on this once I use it, y'all. I would definitely give y'all a review. That will be up in my either next video or next 2 videos, because I have another video I need to put out. So but this smells really good. I can't wait. It smells really good, guys. When I tell you I can smell this thing, it's very strong to me right now. The coconut and vanilla is not coming up as strong, but let me smell it again. No, it's not coming up as strong. No, it's like a lighter scent. And we already know that coconut and vanilla can be a lighter scent. It just depends on how you do it. But y'all, I can't wait to try this strawberry and brown sugar. I might even pair this with my good sis. Y'all already know who I'm talking about. Hold on, let me bring it out, because I have the other one in the shower, but I might bring it out with this one, which is the shea butter and brown sugar. I might mix them together, but for the review, I will do this by itself, okay? So we're not gonna mix anything with it. We're just gonna try the whole line in the strawberry and brown sugar. But that smells really good, and I can't wait to try it out. All right, y'all, so let's see what this fine fragrance mist is smelling like. I know coconut and vanilla is out, so I don't even gotta tell them to move out the way, because they didn't stand a chance. Not when it came to strawberry and brown sugar, okay? I like this. If y'all like strawberries, sis, y'all gonna love this. To me, I think. Okay. Now listen, if y'all do get this scent, or even if y'all already have the coconut and vanilla, or you're gonna get it, let me know, sis, because y'all already know I love chit-chatting with y'all down in the comments section or on Instagram. So just let me know, sis, if you are trying this out, or if you're gonna try this out, or the coconut one. So since we have the body scrub, we're about to smell that, and this is what it looks like. Yes. I can't smell it that well. It's like a lighter scent, but I'm sure if I use it on my body, it will be a little bit stronger. So I can't wait to use that. I've already used the body scrubs in the Beloved line. I already have all of the other ones that I talked about at the beginning of the video. The orange and patchouli, the lavender and hyssop, and the cherry blossom. I already have like the body cream and the body scrub. So I know what they smell like and what they feel like on my body. So yeah, guys, we're gonna smell the body cream for the strawberry and brown sugar, and this is what it looks. Just making sure I want nobody trying to do something in there, and that's what it looked like. You can smell a little bit, and yet again, y'all, I think it might be because of my candle back there, which is smelling oh so good. If y'all ain't got the Bath and Body Works Mahogany Vanilla, which is what's called Give Peace over the holidays, it smells good. Y'all already know how I feel about mahogany. I love mahogany teakwood, mahogany apple, mahogany vanilla. Just smells so good, y'all. So yeah, so you guys can't wait to use those products. And last but not least, y'all, we have 2 more items in this bag, and they pertain to perfume. And if y'all can guess, these were 15% off. One is a scent discovery set, and the other one is just a perfume only. So I wanted to get, let's just throw that bag away. All right, so this is what we got. You see whipped almond. If y'all already know how I do, I love to combine almond, vanilla, oat milk, all that great stuff. It just smells so good. I love me some almond blossom from Bath and Body Works. I love me some almond blossom and oat milk from Victoria's Secret, and I love me some almond cookie from Carol's Daughter, and also Florental almond, which they have now changed to a different name on Dossier. I'm almost done with that scent, like, ooh. So anyway, guys, I had to get this, and we about to see what this smell like. But I also got the discovery set, so it also has it in here as well. So this is the whipped almond, the cloud musk, the sparkling hibiscus. I almost got that in the bigger one, but I did not this time. I just wanted to see how all of them smell. The coconut palm and the vanilla bourbon. And if you already know, I do already have the vanilla bourbon in the regular size perfume, and I also have the blackberry tonic in the regular perfume. So I now the whipped almond, it will be my 3rd full size perfume. So yeah, guys, I wanted to see what this is hitting on, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up real quick. Y'all let me know if you are almond fiends out there, oat milk fiends, vanilla fiends, strawberry fiends. Any fan, like, what's your favorite scent? You can give me a top 5, you can give me a top 3, whatever you want to do. So this, I love the packaging. I just think it's so pretty. But anyway, let's see what the bottle look like, and it should like the rest of the bottles that are over there, and the same bottle that I seen on Instagram. And it does. Yes, I will be using this the heck out of this thing, because I'm sure it's hitting. And it says creamy notes of toasted almond and sweet milk wrapped in rich sandalwood create an elegant scent that is both addictive and alluring. Created with love by artisan perfumer Vince Kaczynski. Y'all already know. Listen, Mix Bar is popping, and it's not expensive at all. It's like $19.99 or $18.99 a bottle, and they've been running a sale, 15% off. So if y'all can get y'all 15% off, go ahead and grab that thing up. And since we're gonna go ahead and spray her down just a little bit, see what she smell like. Okay. Okay, that smells good. I'm gonna put it on my skin. I'm gonna let it sit for just a little bit, but that smells pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead. We already know what vanilla bourbon smell like because I have it already. I do not have the coconut palm, so we're going to see what this one smells like. So I need whipped almond to move over. Exit stage left, boo. Just exit for a little bit. I'm gonna come back to you, okay? So let's see what the coconut palm smells like. And I'm gonna spray it over here in this direction. That's a nice smell. That's good. I like that. Okay, mix bar. All right, y'all. Yes. All right, so next we're gonna bring out the sparkling hibiscus, and I need like all y'all to go. Just move out the way, okay? Because I need sparkling hibiscus to be here. And I do have, which I don't have it out right. Matter of fact, I do. I think this will probably pair well with my Bath and Body Works Hibiscus Paradise. So yeah, when I do my scent of the day, I will use this with it to see how they all mingle together. So let's smell the this is nice. Yes. Listen. This is nice. This is nice. Okay. I'm gonna have to get that in a full size. All right, y'all. So the next one we're gonna do is the Cloud Musk, and I'm sure this smells good too. So I need sparkling hibiscus, whipped almond, and coconut palm to part ways, because we need the Cloud Musk to come through, and I'm sure this smells banging too. Oh, they so little. Oh. Okay, let's see. Okay. I think I need to spray it one more time, and I'm gonna spray it right here on my palm to see what it smells like when it hits my skin. Now let's go back to the whipped almond over here. This is nice. It's nice. It's a sweet note. I like this a lot. So I can't wait to pair it with all of my other beautiful scents. And then the Cloud Musk, you can definitely smell the musk. You already know how I like musk. It's a nice scent. To me, I will probably pair this with more of like my fresh scents. What is it? Seashore Island. Now, I don't know where that one is at, because I just did some reorganization. Nah, it's not in this one. Is it up in here? Yes. Where you at? Paired with the Sea Island Shore from Bath and Body Works, because this one does have a ocean musk in it. It's a clean cotton, orange blossom, blue freesia, and ocean musk. So I probably would pair it with this. Okay. Yeah, guys. So, I am excited for all of my new purchases, and I will definitely be trying out the strawberry and brown sugar. And I will give a review on that to let y'all know how I feel about it. And also, of course, y'all will see my other the perfumes and everything. Y'all will see all of these are in a scent of the day. So make sure that you are subscribed, you have a notification bell turned on, and make sure that you if you want to see what I'm wearing for the day, that you check out my shorts on YouTube. And then you also, if you are on Instagram, you check out my reels, because I post my reels on Instagram as well. And yeah, guys, this was so much fun. I can't wait to do it again. And I love y'all so much. Y'all already know how I feel about you guys. Thank you for all the love and support in the comments, everything, the shares, all that great stuff. We don't come to the end of this video. I love you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. I love you. Peace.